Good morning, sir. I am Cadet Franz Marco Magliente. So, recommended construction of watertight bulkheads in ships as per SOLAS regulations. According to SOLAS, Safety of Life at Sea regulations, watertight bulkheads are critical components in ensuring a ship's structural integrity and survivability. During flooding incident, SOLAS Chapter 2:1 outline, the ships must be divided into watertight compartments by bulkheads that are designed and constructed to withstand hydrostatic pressure from potential flooding.
Hello sir, good morning. I am Cadet Jayden Bastasa from G2D section. Their key recommendations includes location and number. Bulkheads must be spaced of limit flooding to no more than 1 or 2 compartments depending on ship type and size. Following the probabilistic damage stability approach. Number 2 is the structural integrity. Bulkheads must be built of steel or equivalent materials and properly stiffened to resist pressure from water ingress. Water tightness penetrations for piping or cables must be fitted with watertight glands or trunks, and all watertight doors must be comply with SOLAS standards for strength, operability, and testing. The testing each water type, bulkhead, and closure must undergo hydrostatic or hose testing to verify integrity. These requirements ensure that even in the event of hull damage, the ship maintains buoyancy and stability long enough for safe evacuation or repair. Thank you, sir.